What up, everybody? It's your boy Big Hef. I don't stepped into the building. Shout out to my homie DJ Loch Ness, man. It's Mr. Jerry Maguire. Big Hef is in the building. That means certified. That means the Ohio Hip Hop Awards is in the building. That means the Nerve DJs is in the fucking building. So from Cleveland all the way down to Dayton, man, up and down 71. I might stop in Cincinnati and I might stop in Louisville for the Kemp Camp DJs. The Nerve DJs is in the building. It's your boy Big Hef. I'm locked in with my homie DJ Loch Ness. Dayton, Ohio, stand the fuck up. Let's get it. Mr. Midwest mixtapes, Mr. Live mixtapes. We in the building, man. Loch Ness, man, throwing that real exclusive joint for me, man. Yo, shout out to my homie Bone Thug. Shout out to King Chip. Shout out to Machine Gun Kelly. Shout out to Dubbo. Shout out to Ray Jr. Shout out to Ray Cash. Man, yo, we going crazy, man. Turn this shit the fuck up. It's the turn up team. We in the building. Yo, shout out to my young homie KPT, Savita Boss. Shout out to Bellanay. Loch Ness throwing something super exclusive for me. The Nerve DJs is in the building, man. Shout out to Young and Reckless. Shout out to Young and Reckless. Shout out to Young and Reckless. Shout out to Shady Records. Shout out to Epic Records. Be Epic everything. Yo, we going down major way. Big Hef, DJ Loch Ness. We about to tear the streets up with this one. Bring the heat. Let's go.